how to make this clouds changing real using your phone. Let's go. But before that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such viral tutorials. Find a location with a flat horizon and set your phone to 60 frames. Then record yourself climbing up on something and just jumping up in the air and down. To prepare the cloud background video, we want to open a new project in CapCut and select random cloud photos from Google. Make sure to shorten the clips to around 0.1 seconds. Do that for all the clips and then change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Once we fit the images, it's going to look like this, and we can export the video. Next, we want to open the clip of ourselves in the CapCut app, and then scroll to right when we're jumping off. Here we want to hit split, and then scroll forward to right before we land, and again hit split. Now take that middle part, select speed normal, and pull it all the way down to 0.1. Make the quality better, and we have a perfect slow motion jump. Next, we hit overlay and select the cloud clip that we've just created. You want to fit this in the upper edges of the frame, and then we want to hit mask. Select horizontal, line the mask up with the rise and fade it out a little bit. Select the jump clip and duplicate it. Select that copy clip and hit overlay. This will drag it to a second layer that we will now pull under the original. Next, hit remove background, auto removal, and it will cut you out perfectly. Next, all you have to do is export the video, and you get this. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. See you guys in the next one.